Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be restoring the headlights on my Lexus IS 250, so stay tuned for this video. So to start off, I managed to pick up this kit on Amazon. It's called Visbella. It's just a DIY headlight restoration kit. Last time I used the Autoglide one, so this time I thought we'd try out a cheaper alternative. I think this currently was £10.65 with Amazon Prime shipping, so we'll stay tuned and see how this turns out. So unlike the Autoglide kit, we actually have a little masking tape they've given us, so we're going to start off with masking taping around the headlight just to prevent the paintwork getting damaged, and yeah, we'll crack on. So that's going to be step one. So the headlight should look like it's wearing mascara, as you can see, and you're going to do that for both sides, the passenger and the driver side. So we're going to start off using the P800 sandpaper, which is the coarsest one in the set. I've already attached it to the drill piece, kind of mechanism. It's a Velcro back there, and I'm using the battery operated drill today. So we're just going to apply and do a sanding motion around the headlight just to get the first layer off, so stay tuned. So the next step you want to do is use the P1200, which is the kind of medium coarse one, and apply that and just sand off, again using the same method, just sand off the headlight. So after we've done that, we're going to apply the P2000, which is the finest coarse sandpaper, to the headlight. So again, I'm going to start off in this one and then jump into the next one. The next step after I've done that, we're going to use this polishing pad with a polishing paste that this pack provides. I'm going to squeeze this on, and then we're going to do the headlights and work it over until we go clear. And that's just a quick image of how the paste looks like once it's applied to the car. So now that we've applied the paste, we're going to wipe it off, just get the residue off, the kind of any excess, before we apply the final step of adding the UV protector. We're just going to jump ahead and do that on the other side. So my final step is going to be using the UV protector and this little pad and just applying it to the headlights, and then up where it's done. So let that set in, pull off the masking tape, and that's us done. And just while before we finish up, it does say in the box not to wash the car for 24 hours to let all this set in. So if you are applying that and just thinking about doing something, just make sure you wait 24 hours before you wash the car. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys found it informative and useful. As you can see, the headlights look pretty decent. I'll put some clips of that at the end of the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below. Thanks very much for watching. Ciao!